Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take in-depth look on AcuRite 02470 indoor-outdoor clock temperature. About this product. All-weather plastic frame with green rustic finish and plastic convex lens. Measures temperatures from -20 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. 8.5-inch diameter and 2-inch depth. Quartz crystal timekeeping technology. Powered by 1 AA battery, not included. Packaged contents. Installation. Set the time. Install or replace the battery. Placement. Placements for maximum accuracy. Care and maintenance. Clock care. A soft cloth may be used to clean the clock, as needed. Do not use corrosive cleaners or chemicals on the clock. Always store the clock without a battery when not in use. Battery safety. Features. Specifications. Cautions. Troubleshooting. Warning. Battery warning. Temperature exposure. Water damage. Magnetic interference. Battery compartment. Mounting caution. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.